Talking football with Dick.
Yes. Away. Welcome to Talking Football with Dick. It's very le paga mo. We're king out here.
Sharp, brother.
Sharp. O batla mo maraba start.
Rena, we love football.
Sure.
Ours is to go and watch football.
Sure.
And then we have to give some ideas.
Yes.
We need to give some ideas. But one thing that I need to start with Coach Mangete.
Yes.
Mangete is a promising coach.
Sure.
Next time, I can improve.
Sure.
He's from Kaizer Chiefs, now AmaZulu.
Yes.
At least he picked from there. But the way he's playing, my man, today there was no football.
Yes.
There was no football. I don't know where Uti a goalkeeper because every time I ball Leona 18, there is a goal.
It's a goal, yes.
But we're happy because of we know when we play against Sundowns, it's both teams to score.
Sure.
Williams will give you 2 goals or will give you 3 goals. So we are happy about that.
So wabona re tabela ya hore he Sipho Chain a deserve over goalkeeper of the season as a need out here because Williams will consider every man.
Williams will consider every game. This thing you for Twitter to push Chain away.
Yes.
Chain is the best. He's the best goalkeeper.
Sure.
Look what 5 saves.
Yesterday
I think they were saying this guy will get ready clean sheet without no one
a shooter.
This guy will save goal J5.
Yes.
Those were clear goals.
Yes.
I don't want to save the Chain.
Sure.
So when we speak about that, they say, no, China, China, what.
Yes.
Chiefs. Williams will give you 3 goals. I'm sure about that.
Sure.
So we're not afraid. Sometimes we'll keep on scoring. And then Williams will score.
Sure.
Finally, taking back to the game,
Sure. I was about to go there.
They scored 7 goals.
Yes.
They scored 7 goals.
But consider 4.
Williams have 4 goals. So my brother, today's game was saying AmaZulu must just at least balance the team.
Sure.
When you're playing with that guy number 6, it's alone there.
Yes.
At least play 6-6.
Sure.
Play 6-6. At least have someone who will support on the right. Because Tapelo was not there.
Sure.
Tapelo was not there. If there was a player
in the middle
who can
AmaZulu
who cross the ball.
Sure.
I'm telling you, it was going to be 4-4.
4-4.
Or maybe AmaZulu was going to win
the game.
You understand, my brother?
Sure.
So we're saying we are here talking football only. We're not hating anyone. We knew that this game or this type of games they will come.
Sure.
Brian Leon.
Sure.
Leon was not scoring goals.
Sure.
He was like this with Mputuma. They were saying, Mputuma Warena, what. But we said, no, guys. But even Leon is not scoring.
Sure.
So, but this type of the games, this is Kruger United. They'll just give Brian Leon.
Sure.
I'm saying, my brother, this is the repeat of last season.
Sure.
We're still going to have that top goal scorer, that guy from
Dion
from
Golden Arrows.
And then he just scored even tonight. Yeah, they're playing against Stellenbosch.
Sure.
He scored that guy.
I saw they were leading.
Yes. So this thing push up Brian Leon, team score.
Sure.
It's not gonna work, my brother.
No,
thank you very much, my brother.
No, my brother, thank you so much for speaking to us.
Sharp.
Tango. Away.